Are you wasting money? If your home uses energy inefficiently, you are wasting money. But with just a few simple changes, you can reduce the energy you use and spend less on your utilities. Plus, by using energy wisely, you not only help yourself, you also help the environment. Although energy costs are expected to rise in the future, the Get a Head Start on Energy program will help you to stay on top of your utility bills. Throughout the program, we'll cover such topics as budgeting for energy costs, energy efficiency, keeping your home healthy and safe, finding an energy-efficient home, energy resources, kids can save energy too, and communication for problem solving. Let's get started. To make this program as good as it can be, we need your input. By taking a quick survey, you'll help us understand how we can make the program better for you and for others. All responses will be kept completely confidential, and we'll never share your answers with anyone outside the program. At this time, the video will pause so you can take the survey. When you're finished, simply click Continue.